Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and enjoying at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Cap. Today we will discuss about Chapter 3 Slanting Lines from Art and Activity Skillbook. Do you know what is slanting lines? No? Let's have an example. Slide a bit, slide a bit. That means first this is standing line, this is sleeping line, and now this is slanting line. This is slanting line. आप राइट्स पे जाते हो, राइट्स करते हो, जब स्कूल में आप राइट्स करते हो, देन आप फिसल जाते हो ना, दैट मीन्स दिस इज slanting line. This is slanting line. Now all of you take out your yellow color book. Take out fast your yellow color book. Have a look. Slanting line. Trace the slanting line on the kites with different colors neatly. What is this? Kite. And what is this? Kite. Now, what are these? These are kites. These are kites. Now, take out your color, your favorite color. My favorite color is red. Take out yours favorite color and we are starting doing slanting line. Up to down, up to down, up to down, up to down, then again little bit up. Start making slanting line. Start making slanting line. Take out your favorite color. Take out your favorite color. All of you have done this. Slanting line. Slanting line. Do it neatly, okay? Do it neatly. Do it neatly. I hope you all are doing. I hope you all are doing and enjoy this session. I think my favorite color is red. Then I will take blue. I think your favorite color is green, orange, whatever. Ayan, tell me your favorite color. Okay, green. Amazing. Come back to our worksheet. Slowly and neatly. Slowly and Do it slowly and neatly. Up and down, up and down, up and down, then again up and down. All of you have finished this? Do it fast. Do it fast. And rest the worksheet is your homework. Is your homework. Means this card is your homework. आपको ये किसके साथ करना है? ममा के साथ. Okay? I hope you all are enjoy this session. Happy learning. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.